Boom, take two. Okay, sorry about that. Internet was being a little flaky. So when I first started homeschooling, when we first started homeschooling, it was a shock to discover that our son did not know his multiplication facts inside and out yet. And so one of the master homeschool goals that we have, one of the master teaching goals, is that our kids will know their math facts. My finger's backwards. That was their math facts. So I've created all kinds of multiplication things over the years. The dog's going crazy downstairs. I've created all kinds of multiplication games and printables and things over the years, but I've never been more excited about this one. And so I wanted to show you. These are called boom cards. And it's a digital thing that when you download, you click on the link and it's going to pull you up into this fun thing. And it's self-correcting, intuitive, and the kids are addicted to them. So I'm going to share a link to a free one for you to show your kids. Don't just click in and like do it until you see how much your kids enjoy it. So let me show you what they look like. So when you pull it up, this is a deck for the sevens family in multiplication. And here's a little joke. What do frogs like to drink on a hot summer day? So the kids, they figure out, well, 7 times 2 is 14. So they click. Let's see, make sure my noise is up. Ding, they got it right. They like to drink Coca-Cola. Isn't that fun? So then they keep clicking. And now they're practicing their math facts. What's 7 times 3? 21. What's 7 times 6? 42. And then they submit it. This is what it looks like if they get it wrong. So let's say we get both of them wrong. It shows you, oops, you didn't get it right. So then they get to try it again. So let's pretend that they get this one right and then they get this one wrong. And what happens? Whoops, you can see that they got that one right. And then they can keep guessing wrong, but they're learning as they're going. It's intuitive. And the cool thing about this is it's a time saver for you. It's a time saver for me because the kids are getting instant feedback for what they're doing. Aren't they amazing? Okay, I just love these. They are so cute. So I'm going to show you at the end that there are more. There's a joke at the beginning, and then there's multiplication facts. The way that I split these up is I split them by fact families because kids tend to learn one set at a time, like the 2s and then the 3s. Usually it's the 2s and the 5s and the 10s because they're easy. And then they move on and they can add the others. So with the boom decks, you can specify which ones you want your kids to practice. But they go right through, and then each of the sets that I create ends with another joke. Why are frogs so happy? They eat whatever bugs them. Isn't that fun? Okay, when it's done, you get to go back. It gives you feedback for what the kids are doing, but I am so excited about these. They are so fun. So I have sets all set from 0 to 1. That's one set, like that family, because they're super easy. Then I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Each set starts with a joke at the beginning, and they're all eye rollers. Like I tested them. They're Sayler tested. Okay, that means I said the jokes to my kids, and I got them all to giggle or at least eye roll. And then, so they start with the joke, multiplication practice, end with the joke. Super, super fun. I'm actually in the process right now of converting many learning activities into these boom card activities. Now, this is new terminology for me. What are boom cards? I just actually discovered this less than a week ago, and I am having a blast transferring printable things onto these boom cards. And I love them for a bunch of reasons. They're self-correcting, they're intuitive, which means the kids, they can kind of figure it out. You just set them up and then the kids will figure out what they're supposed to do. They get instant feedback. Hey, did you get it right? Did you get it wrong? Let me go back. Did you get it right? Did you get it wrong? Oops, not that one, the preview. So they get instant feedback on here. If they click 12, it shows them immediately, whoops, that's not right. And when they get the right answer, it gives them that happy sound. and clicks on to the next page. So they're addictive in a good way. We want our kids to be addicted to learning, addicted to growing, addicted to being excited about learning and growing. And so I would not just do 100% digital things with my kids, but I found that they work really well as just review or excitement type activities, rewards. I think they're really great. So I wanted to show you guys that. I have them in my Teachers Pay Teachers store, but if you follow the link and if you're a careful reader, you will find a code that gets them for much less than what they're listed for. These are not easy to create. And so they're not as inexpensive as a standard printable. But with the special code, you'll get a special deal and you're going to love it. So coming soon are more math. I have verb things coming. I have science things coming, writing, so many of these boom cards because I already have the printables ready. They're super easy for me to convert. I say super easy. My hair is getting grayer just as I try to fight with the technology, because you know that technology does not like Bekki, but they're super fun and your kids are just gonna totally love them. Did you get the joke? Totally love them. I'm addicted to them. I think they are cool. I love the way they turn out. I love that even when I am doing these sitting next to my 14-year-old or my 16-year-old, that they're still like craning their neck to see what I'm doing and they're excited to do them. They're just fun. So if you have any questions about them, let me know. Otherwise, as soon as this video is over, I will put the link to the free one. It's the 3 family. And it has a fun joke at the beginning and the end. So have your kids try it, see what you think, and then let me know what they think. And I'll see you soon. And I'll be revealing more of these soon. So you have a wonderful day. And I can't wait. They're so fun. Okay, see you later. Bye.